Welcome back to Dad Deals. In this video, I'll be showing you the top things you should be buying at Harbor Freight Tools in August 2024. New coupons just dropped, so there's a ton of great items out there. And of course, we have that parking lot sale. It's going to take place August 12th for Inside Track Club members and then August 16th for everybody else. So this is a big month at Harbor Freight. And in this video, I'm going to cover the coupons that you can go ahead and get now. The big marquee deals during that parking lot sale coming up is 30% off all Apache cases and 40% off all Icon ratchets. So definitely make sure you hold off on buying any of those products until that parking lot sale. As always, before we get started, make sure you like the video. If you find it helpful, subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video. And without further ado, let's get started. First up, Harbor Freight is having a Buy More, Save More event on their US General magnetic accessories. These are things like the hooks, the cup holders, socket organizers, magnetic parts trays. And these are actually some of my favorite items that Harbor Freight sells. They're fun ways to accessorize your cabinets. They come in great colors, and they're really high quality and really strong and well made. But during this event, if you purchase 2 items, you get 15% off. If you purchase 3 items, you get 20% off. And if you purchase 4 or more items, you get 25% off your entire purchase. Also keep in mind that this doesn't just include the magnetic accessories. This is also the hand tool organizers. So that includes things like your socket trays, the flexible parts trays, and things like that. So there's a lot of great stuff here to choose from, and this is a great time to really accessorize out your cabinet. First up, we have the Avanti Airbrush Compressor Combo Kit. This is 15% off at $85. If you're into hobby modeling, this is a great way to paint your projects. It also has a nice quiet design, so it can be great to work indoors. And this one really rarely goes on sale. Under the Fortress brand, they have this 5-gallon, 225 PSI high-performance job site air compressor on wheels. This is $10 off at just $290. So if you find yourself needing an air compressor on the go, having it on wheels just makes it that much nicer. The Syntec battery charger with engine start is 27% off at $40. This has 3 modes. It can charge, fast charge, or start, and is a great thing to have on hand, especially as the cold weather approaches. A couple of Badland winches are on sale here. Here's the 5,000-pound UTV and Power Sport version with the wire rope for $160, $20 off the normal price. You also have the 9,500-pound truck and SUV winch with wire rope for $280. And then also keep in mind that the 12,000-pound truck and SUV winch is going to be $300 during that parking lot sale. So if you'd rather have that one, make sure you wait, as that higher capacity one will be on sale. The Pittsburgh half-inch drive extendable ratchet is just $15. This is a great one to keep in your car or truck. It collapses down nice and compact, but can expand and reach whatever length that you need. The Icon half-inch drive 25-inch professional breaker bar is just $30. That's 25% off. So a great deal on this nice breaker bar. Zip ties are always a good purchase here with the 5-inch ones, 100 pack for just $1. Can't go wrong there. Your Braun 8,000 lumen adjustable head LED shop and garage light. These are great. They just plug into a single socket. And these are almost 50% off right now at just $15. This riveter kit from Fast and Pro is just $15, 25% off the normal price. A great flashlight to keep around in the truck is this Braun 1800 lumen rechargeable waterproof tactical light. This has a waterproof rating of IPX7 and it's designed to take a beating, and this is on sale for just $20. If you have any moves coming up, you can get the Franklin king size mattress bag protector for just $4. You can also get these Storehouse reusable vacuum storage bags. This is a 3-pack for just $4. And then moving blankets are also around $5. The Franklin 2-step step stool is just $20. This is a nice thing to have around the house. And also a great tarp to keep in the truck is this 11.5 foot by 19.5 foot heavy duty tarp for just $20. I really like these silver ones. I just think they're the best value that Harbor Freight sells, and they're really nice quality. We have hurricane season coming up, so make sure you're prepared. These electric chainsaws could be great to add to your hurricane kit. Just make sure you do have a generator or power station available to power it in case your power goes out. And if you would prefer the gas-powered version, here's the 18-inch Portland gas-powered chainsaw for $150 for ITC members. The Hercules 8-amp 6-inch forced rotation dual-action polisher is just $100 right now. This is really a professional level polisher, so if you need those features, definitely check out this. It's a great price. Also from Hercules, they have their bimetal deep cut portable bandsaw blades, a 2-pack for just $10. That's almost half off the normal price. Also from Hercules, they have their 220 grit hook and loop detail sanding sheets. This is a 5-pack for just $1.50. Another great addition to that hurricane emergency kit, or really any emergency kit, is this survival kit. It's a 12-piece set from Gordon for $25. You're getting an emergency flashlight, knife, buckle strap, just a bunch of stuff here in a nice compact case. The Storehouse 30-bin wall mount parts rack is just $15, 25% off the normal price. If you find yourself needing a vise a lot on the go, you can get this hitch mount 6-inch vise from Doyle for just $100. Harbor Freight has all of their Thunderbolt Magnum batteries. That's sort of their mid-level of their batteries. On sale, we have the 9 volts, the C's, the D's, the AAA's, the AA's. These are all about 21% off the normal price at around $5. Or I guess they all are $5.50. Your Pittsburgh standard or metric ratcheting combination wrench sets. These are 7-piece sets for just $22. The classic Warrior angle grinder is just $10 still. So a great way to sharpen those lawnmower blades as we approach the new seeding season. You have some nice 1,000-pound capacity 10-foot ratcheting tie-down straps. Here's a 4-pack for just $18. I like this nice sleek black color these come in. You also have the 20-bin portable parts storage case. These come with the removable trays, has a nice clear top on it for just $8. Your Pittsburgh Pro color-coded deep socket sets available in standard or metric is a 10-piece set for just $10. ITC members can also grab the half-inch drive impact deep socket set. This is a 13-piece set for $17. Your magnetic hook sets, these are the small ones, a 4-pack, great for holding really light stuff, is just $3. Also the 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch dual drives. This is both ends of this ratchet. One side is 1/4-inch, one side is 3/8-inch. It's also extendable, and this is $12. A great thing also to have in your truck at all times, or any car or any vehicle that you drive, is a tire repair kit in case of an emergency. And this is a pretty basic one, but it's nice and cheap at just $5. Also a great paint set here. This is their better quality, so also their medium level of quality as far as their painting stuff goes. Here is a 9-piece set. It comes with rollers, paintbrushes, trays, all for just $10. You also have the very useful Quinn 14-in-1 painter's tool for just $4. And a really bright neon colored micro spring clamp set. It's a 6-piece set for just $1. These next deals are for ITC members. That's the Inside Track Club that you do have to pay yearly for. There are a ton of these deals this month, but here are some of my favorites. First up, we have the Bauer 20-volt cordless pole saw. This is tool only, so you will need to already have those batteries or have a battery adapter that works with any other batteries. But this is on sale for $70. The folding camping table with cup holders is just $20. This folds up nice and compactly, so it's great for taking camping to any youth sporting events. Also has a nice bottom shelf, and yeah, just $20 for this. A new item over at Harbor Freight is this Franklin heavy-duty packaging tape gun. This is just $6 for ITC members. Just a tip on this, don't get your actual packaging tape from Harbor Freight. It is really bad quality, so get your packaging tape from somewhere else, but this gun is actually really nice. One of the first things that I bought over at Harbor Freight a long time ago was this 10 cubic foot trailer cart, and it has held up great. It is a workhorse. It can dump, so if you're going to spread any mulch or soil or anything like that this coming fall, this would be great for it. You can tow it behind your riding lawnmower, and this rarely goes on sale these days, but this is just $110 for ITC members, which is pretty close to what I paid for it almost 8 years ago. Some really heavy-duty 3,300-pound, 27-foot ratcheting tie-downs are just $10.79. So if you really have something you need to strap down heavy-duty, check out these. Another new item here is an Avanti Professional Airless Paint Primer and Stain Sprayer Kit. This thing can actually handle unthinned paints and primers and stains. So this is really your high end of these paint sprayers, and it is a pretty high price, but this is $570 for ITC members. Some great deals on extension cords. Here's a 25-foot, 12-gauge extension cord with a triple tap on the end. Also, it's lighted. This is $20 for ITC members. This is really great for heavy-duty use. You also have the 50-foot version of that for $35. And then on the medium-duty side, here is a 16-gauge 10-foot extension cord for just $5. You really can't beat that. Two versions of the circular saws are also on sale for ITC members. Here is the Bauer 14-amp version for just $40 and the Hercules 15-amp version for $85. So just depending on what kind of power, what you're going to be using it for. Both of these are the corded versions, and these are both really nice circular saws. Your Pittsburgh Pro half-inch drive 25-inch breaker bar with a nice comfort handle on the end is $17. These little Storehouse 4-inch stacking tilt bins are just $1.50. I really like these. You can hang them on the wall or just stack them on top of each other. Your US General 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart is going to be $170. Just keep in mind that the 5-drawer 30-inch mechanical cart will be $198 during that parking lot sale. So just depending on which one you want there, you might want to spring for the 5-drawer for just a little bit more money. These heat shrink butt connectors are really great for doing any car electronic work or boat electronic work. They're watertight, and this pack is just $6 for ITC members. And then last up here, we have the Bauer flap discs on sale for $5. These are really great for keeping those lawnmower blades sharpened up. Again, before we know it, it'll be the fall time. Everybody will be planting new grass seed. And one of the most important things you do for that first cut after you plant the new seed is make sure your lawnmower blades are nice and sharp. And this is a great way to make sure they are sharp. And it's just $5, especially when you pair it to the angle grinder that is just $10. So for just $15, you can make sure your lawnmower blades are ready to go. All right, that's all the deals for this first half of August. Thank you for watching. As always, like the video, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate that. And I will catch you next time on Dad Deals.